Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share you the new, which is I am very excited about this new MacBook Pro. This is my personal MacBook Pro, which is actually I am going to unbox this Pro book. You can see this is MacBook Pro. Maybe a little bit. I got this new box. This is my the personal MacBook Pro, and I'm very excited to unbox it. I have already removed the packing and all these things, so you can see the price and all this. I can put into the descriptions as well, right? So recently I have purchased this one. Let me unbox it here quickly. So let's put it here so that you can able to view it. So this is my new unbox silver. I'll put this here for time being, and I have removed this plastic and all this above. This is the silver color, new, right? It's very sleek and performance. Earlier I was using Windows, and you see the charger and all these things inside the box. There is nothing box. It just a like big box. There is nothing inside. It's only charger and all these things stuffs are there. Let me put it side there for time being, and I will open this sleek MacBook Pro, and which is actually 13-inch. You can see it's turning on, and this is brand new MacBook Pro. You can see it here, MacBook Pro. It has the touch screen. I will put I'm just entering my password, and then I will explain you what's new in this MacBook Pro, which is actually brand new, and why I have ordered my MacBook Pro instead of only the Mac, right? There is a Pro and there is a standard Mac. So in this, I can see it has the Apple M2 chip, 8 gigabytes memory, because I feel 8 GB is sufficient. If you can go for the 16 GB as well. It's running on Mac OS Sonoma. It's version 14.2.1, which is actually latest version. It's the display size is 13.3 inch, and the hard disk I have got 250 GB, right? So for me it's showing 245 GB, so it's 250 GB, which is actually it's very much for me. So it's M2 13-inch MacBook Pro. You can see it here, right? So I recently purchased it, and I thought I can share this performance, the performance and the touch screen, and all these. You can see the touch screen, which is actually very nice. If you go for the standard one, you won't see. You can increase and decrease the brightness here. This is actually very nice. You can play the song. You just you see. Let me play one song from, you see here. That's very nice song, and you'll enjoy the MacBook Pro because the Pro has all the touch screen, slide bar, sleek, and the good performance, and it has M2 chip. The cost price, maybe you wondering how much is the cost. It's almost 1 lakh, okay, in Indian rupees. You can convert into your if you're watching from any other locations. So if I for you, if I just want to convert in a US dollar, let me convert it. Okay, one to US dollar. So it's almost it's almost in US dollar. It will be, of course, it will be cheaper, but it's a 1200 something like that, 1200 US dollar. So for me, it's 1 lakh rupees. 1200 is quite much. Maybe you will get in US very cheap. But yeah, I ordered through online, and you like this. I hope you will also. So if you're purchasing, if you're pro users, just go for this MacBook Pro M2 13-inch. If you like a larger screen, it has a very good performance. I can think about this. If you compare with M1 or the below lower version, just go for M2 chip. This is actually amazing and very good performance even with the 8 GB RAM. I hope you like it, this performance, and this MacBook Pro, of course, and you can also buy for this one. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.